This video is going to cover how to find continuous compound interest using the Texas Instruments BA2 Plus calculator. So our formula for continuous compound interest is A equals P times E to the power of RT. So here R is the rate as a decimal, T is the time in years, P is the principal, that's the amount we're investing, and then A is the total amount. And that E, that is a number which is approximately 2.7. So for my example, let's take $15,000, invest for 10 years at 6%, and again, anytime you see this continuous compound, that means we're using this method. So on my calculator, I'm going to take the rate as a decimal, so 0.06, and as a reminder on the calculator, if you hit 6 and then the percent key, it will change that for you. And then let's multiply times the time. That gets me 0.6. Then on the calculator, if you look on the left side, we've got that ln, and that little e is above that. So I'm going to hit second, and then that ln key. And as you can see, I do get a very hideous number, but that's okay. And then the very last step there, I'm going to multiply by the amount invested. So in other words, I'm going to multiply by 15,000. And let's hit equal, and that should be my answer. So 27,331 and 78 cents. And again, that is the total amount of money, not just the interest. Let's work through a second example. So now I'd like to invest 25,000 for 20 years at 3%, and once again, we are compounding continuously. So again, let's hit 3, and again, if I hit percent, my calculator is going to then turn that into a decimal, and let's multiply that by the time, so 20, so times 20. Then I'm going to hit second ln, so second ln, and again, I get a very hideous number. That's okay, I expect to get a hideous number. And last, I'm going to multiply by that amount that I'm investing, so times 25,000. And here looks like I've got 45,552 and 97 cents. And again, that is the total amount. If I wanted to find the interest, I would have to subtract. I would take that number that I just got on my calculator and subtract the amount that I invest. So it looks like the interest, I'm making 20,552 and 97 cents. And that is how to find continuous compound interest using the Texas Instruments BA2 Plus calculator.